for trouble. I got no time for trouble.
Oh, it's your fault, Rory. You cheated. I have a win streak of 1,000. Whoa, it's just a game. You don't need to get mad. I shall underline thank you. Oh, I shall listen. Oh, sorry, just a glitch.